Originally, this video was going to be me talking about something that I remembered to help take your privacy to the next level due to all the various censorship laws either being passed, introduced, or discussed.
An elite squad of police officers is to monitor social media for anti-migrant sentiment. I don't think 13-year-olds are engaging that. So is it also to monitor adults? Simple question, yes or no?
Yes, of course it will.
Okay,
There we go. Look, sorry.
But then I saw this post appear on my X feed this morning about how the EU's age verification app is going to ban apps not installed via the Google Play Store, basically prevent sideloading, and it would be using the Play Integrity API in order to do this. And now I think it's a good idea to point out that you can use Android without any Google apps, services, or settings installed. And what I mean by this is not apps like YouTube, Google Maps, or Chrome. All these apps would still be available to be installed at your leisure. What I am talking about though is Google Play Services, Digital Wellbeing, and Play Integrity. And with everything set up properly, apps that rely on Google Play Services will function without it being installed. A good example would be Lineage OS with the Aurora Store and MicroG installed. Lineage OS is basically just stock Android that's been de-Googled. The Aurora Store is a Google Play alternative that pulls applications directly from the official Google Play, and MicroG is a free implementation of Google Play Services that allows apps designed for Google Play Services to function on systems without it installed. And after everything is set up, you can install your favorite apps from the Aurora Store, whether it relies on Play Services like YouTube, Google Maps, or etc., or not, and just about everything will work. So what about the EU age verification app? Well, my assumption is that its block preventing you from installing things outside the Play Store will most likely not function, as Google Play will not be installed on the device at all. And you can't really go and force apps to install from a location that doesn't even exist. As for the thing that I remembered, I'll save that for a future video.